Всем привет! Добро пожаловать на мой канал. Hello and welcome back to Russian with Nastya. Today we are going to write cursive 3 most complicated Russian sounds. Твердый знак, the hard sign, and мягкий знак, the soft sign. So let's begin with the hard sign. It is твердый знак. Prepare your Russian language notebooks and let's write together. It's very important to write down. It trains your brain and you will be able to write faster in Russian if you will learn how to write cursive. Okay, so твердый знак. 1, 2, 3. This is твердый знак. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now let's connect this твердый знак with я letter. And I will show you how. 1, 2, 3, and create a connection. Create a connection here. Let's connect it with я letter. Я. 1, a small circle here. 2, and 3. Твердый знак connected to я letter. Now let's connect it with е letter. Твердый знак. 1, 2, 3. Create a connection and connect it with е. Е. Like this. Отлично. Now I will write a word and I will ask you to try to recognize this word and write in chat if you succeeded or not. So the word is okay. So what did I write here? Do you recognize this word? Что написано на доске? What is written on the board? Что написано здесь на доске? Write in comments if you recognized this word. Хорошо. Now let's continue with letter. If who will write the correct answer, I will pin your answer under my video and everybody can see the correct answer there. Так, следующая буква. This sound is very complicated to pronounce for some people, for example, for Americans. So imagine that you push here under your chest. Let's try to write it down. 1, 2, 3. Буква Буква Now let's connect it with me, with letter me, and let's write the syllable мы. Oh, I'm sorry. Мы. 1, 2, 3. This is me. Pretty easy to write. And now мы. I'm sorry. Мы. So 1, 2, 3. Мы. Now вы connect V with вы. So to write V we have to go up and down and all letter like this. V. And we will connect it with 1, 2, 3. Вы. Молодцы. Дальше. Let's connect it with T letter and let's write ты. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Ты means you. Ты. Мы means we. Вы, you, and ты, you, informal. And вы, you, formal or plural. Мы, вы, ты. Отлично. Now let's write it with S letter and let's write C, like in the word сыр, cheese. C. Сы. Отлично. Сы. And now I will write some words. If you recognize them, write them in the comment below. Okay, the first one. Так. Ага. Did you recognize it? Вы узнали это слово? Какое это слово? Напишите в комментариях. Write in comments. Так. Дальше. Окей. Еще одно слово. Так. And the last one is okay, like this. So we have 3 words. Write them in the comments below. And the last letter is мягкий знак. Very easy to write down. Мягкий знак, like this. That's all. And create a connection if it will be followed by another letter. Мягкий знак. Okay, so let's connect мягкий знак with Е letter, for example. Мягкий знак, create a connection, and Е. Е is very easy to write too. And now let's connect it with И, мягкий знак, and connect it with E letter, like this. Now with N letter, with N, мягкий знак, create a connection. And now N letter, like this. Now мягкий знак with V letter. Мягкий знак. Oh, I'm sorry. Now cursive. Okay, create a connection and V letter. Let's go up and down and create a connection. V, and now with Ч letter. Мягкий знак, create a connection. And now Ч letter. 1, 2, 3, like this. Так, отлично. And let's write some words down. And you will write in comments these words, if you will recognize them. First word is okay. Дальше. Дальше. Окей. Так. And one more. This one is very short, right? Отлично. Молодцы. That's all for today. Все на сегодня. Next 3 letters will be the last 3 letters of the Russian alphabet. U, and Я. Я. Спасибо за внимание. Thank you for your attention. Увидимся с вами завтра утром. See you tomorrow in the morning for my live lessons. Целую вас. Пока. Чмоки-чмоки.